Peeps, we are back at Target, and we're here because they are releasing Star Wars Retro Collection figures that look exactly like the toys that I grew up with from Kenner, and I'm super excited about checking them out. They are Target exclusive figures, at least for now. I think they'll eventually come out at other stores, but they come out today, May 12th, Mother's Day. I know some folks have been hitting up Targets over the last couple days and getting them. I'm a little concerned that maybe at this Target they may not have them, but I'm going to give it a shot. So fingers crossed, let's head on in. Well, I'm first in line, which is either a very good sign or a very bad sign that they're already purchased and everyone who knows. In fact, I'm the only person in line. There's no one behind me. So we'll see if I'm able to find them. Okay, let's head into the toy section. It's not up here with the Star Wars like stuff. Let's see. There's Avengers, Toy Story, Pokemon. Here's where the Star Wars stuff normally is. Uh-oh. Okay, there's nothing here. Let me go ahead and ask the guy at the counter to see if he can look up the number. I have the UPC codes. All right. He's going to the back to get them. I think they have them in stock. I may have actually lucked out and gotten a set of these figures. I'm very excited. He's been in the back an awfully long time. I'm starting to get worried. Guys, success! I was able to get all 6 of them. I am so excited to show you guys. Here they are. They look just like the toys I had as a kid. How awesome is that? I am really excited about having these. Luke. And I love the old school Darth Vader. Alright, figured I'd give you guys a better look at the figures, not in the hustle and bustle of Target. So here's Chewbacca, and it's got the Retro Collection Kenner logo on it. Stormtrooper. And my favorite, Darth Vader. And if you look, he's got the retractable lightsaber just like the original figures. And the backs are all the same. The Star Wars Retro Collection is inspired by the 1970s Star Wars figures and features original figure design and detailing. So there are 6 figures in this line. You can see them right there. And thankfully I was able to get all 6. And they're, like I said, the back is the same on all of them. And here are the rest of the heroes. Here's Luke Skywalker. He's also got a retractable yellow lightsaber. Princess Leia Organa. And Han Solo. So success! Really glad we were able to find those figures. Glad you guys came along with me. I hope you enjoyed the look at them. And make sure you've hit the like, notification, subscribe buttons down below. And leave us a comment. Let us know if you're interested in the figures, if you had a toy hunt and got them yourselves, or what else you're interested in getting. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.